Are you someone that is living life just by day existing and you're wanting more out of life? Are you also someone that just finishes everything? One of these people, you become a jack of all trades and a master of none. Are you someone that knows that you have that ability within you, but you just haven't been shown, or you will start something and you stop because you haven't had the accountability? If this is you, I want you to be able to come and have an understanding of yourself of a deep 5-hour immersion on my free events, which I hold at the start of every month. These events aren't just giving you a little bit of a taste test and then you get sold at the end of the event. It's 5 hours where I give up my precious time to go deep and give you a taste of your true potential. I want you to actually discover, more importantly, to experience your potential. And as the feedback that I've received over the the many events that I've run over the years, that these free events give you 5 hours of discovering yourself through NLP, releasing negative emotions, parts integrations, bringing your identities together, identity creation, redecision processes, the 9 identity creation, which is super powerful. And so many people have given me the feedback from that. I want to give you everything. I want you to walk away brand new, completely transformed. You're going to see, hear, and feel what you're capable of, and then the next step is up to you. I want you to have an understanding, meet me in person, feel my energy, feel my authenticity, my congruency of me wanting to help you guys. So now I want you to take action. Click the link below and secure your spot, and I promise you, you won't regret it. 5 hours of deep immersion. Looking forward to seeing you guys there.